My shop doors are very old and actually close to 100 years old. And I'm replacing them. They're 4-foot doors. And I kind of going by an article written by Fine Woodworking. It's showing replacement doors that are very similar to the ones I have. So this is one that's, I just put this framing around it and glued it on with Type-On. It's indoor, outdoor. It says waterproof. It's not marine grade waterproof, but it's pretty good. And it's a nice glue to work with. The top part of this will have thermal pane glass, and then the door will be painted, as well as the shop. I'm repainting the shop after these doors are installed. At this stage, I've glued this frame together. I've used biscuits here, so these joints will be pretty tight. And then I'm going to flip this over and spread glue and then clamp it down using cauls, and so that the whole thing will have waterproof glue holding this down. The glue joints will stay together, and additionally strong with the waterproof glue. The plywood's keeping this together. The joinery on the corners are I've used 5/8 dowels, and so this door will last another 100 years. I won't be around to see that, but it will last another 100 years. Excited that in a few days I'll start to be putting the paint on. I have the hinges that came in last week, and I have a friend who will help me hang these doors because they are pretty heavy.